This is a close-up of the mechanism in action.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Servo elapsed.
The drone is powered by a 7.4 volt, 800 milliamp hour LiPo battery. The servo mechanism that drops the apples or the bombs is powered by a 3.7 volts, 370 milliamp hour LiPo battery, the power goes to the receiver, which is a X8R Far Sky receiver, which connects to the Tyrannus QX7. And from there, the servo is connected to that receiver, which is a Digit 4096 coreless servo. And from there, it has a mechanism that has an hinge that can open and drop stuff.